The young and beautiful Eugenia Flora Cooper of Fifth Avenue, New York City, had never worn buckskin, nor had any kind of vagabond life. Her love of dime novels starring May Winslow, Woman of the West, made this timid mouse long to have a May Winslow-sized adventure. A train ticket obtained under less than truthful circumstances allows Jeanie to sneak off to the magnificent home of Silver Baron Daniel Beck of Denver, Colorado. As the new nanny for his motherless daughter Charlotte, Jeanie is swept into an adventure of a lifetime. Denver, not as Wild West as she had hoped, is left behind as the handsome Mr. Beck spirits the nanny and her charge off to the grit and gunslinging danger of Leadville to tend his mine. Suddenly, Jeanie finds herself toting a gun, riding a horse, and she's thrown headlong into a counterfeit wedding ceremony. Impropriety, kidnapping, whizzing bullets, and unexpectedly falling in love. Not unlike her dime novel heroine. Well, dear reader, will Jeanie's story end with her abrupt return to New York? Will Daniel prove to be a true dime novel hero? Simply everyone is whispering about this fun and heart-tugging novel, The Confidential Life of Eugenia Cooper, by best-selling author Kathleen Ibarbo.